In this video, I introduce k-means clustering for machine learning. K-means clustering is an unsupervised algorithm which partitions n observations into k-clusters using the nearest mean. Given a set of observations x, we randomly select a key centroid from C1 to Ck. K-means algorithm uses the following steps to partition the observations into k-clusters. First, for each I, set the cluster Ci to be the set of points in X that are closer to Ci than Cj for all j except I. Then for each I, set Ci to be the center of mass of all points in Ci in this formulation, where this denominator is number of data points in Ci. Repeat the steps above until Ci no longer changes, and the points for each Ci define the key clusters. This observed data, we randomly select two centroids. And then according to two centroids, we partition the data, gather data distribution. And then we update the centroids and then update the data distribution until reach the convergent data distribution, which define the k-clusters. K-means plus clustering offers a method to select the cluster centroids for k-means algorithm. Suppose that dx indicates the shortest distance from a data point to the closest centroid we have already chosen. K-means plus algorithm uses the following steps to partition the observations into k-clusters. First, select one data from X as a first cluster centroid C1. And then compute dx from all data X to C1. Then compute the probability of each data point as a new centroid using this formulation. The data with the maximum probability, Px, is used as a new centroid. Repeat the steps 2 and 3 for each Ci and select the key centroids. Use the selected key centroids for k-means clustering algorithm to partition the observations into k-clusters. This is the observed data. First, we randomly select this data point as a centroid C1. And then now we calculate the distance from each data to this C1. Select this point as a new centroid. And then in each cluster, we calculate each point, the distance from each point to a centroid. We select this point as a new centroid, C3. Using the similar way, we select this data point as a new centroid, C4. Then we use k-means clustering method by using these 4 centroids to gather 4 clusters. Obo technique is used to select the best number of clusters given observed data points. We first select the first centroid from the observation data point and increase number of key clusters one by one. We compute sum of squared error for k centroids using this formulation, where Ni is number of data points in Ci. The number key at the elbow is a better number of clusters, for example, here. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you. Bye.